morning.
Morning everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to Revolution Rides Sheffield. I've heard a lot of good things about them guys from a lot of good friends, good car friends. It is a detailing place and they're holding a car meet today called Mince Pies and Motors. I do believe that's what it's called. It's like a cars and coffee basically, but in December because it's Christmas time, as you know. I think they're doing a bit for charity, raising a bit of money for mental health as well, so that's always good in my books. If you watched the previous video, I've just literally finished polishing the bonnet a little bit to try and save it, and now we're setting off. I've literally got the sat nav on just to find the quickest route. I know where it is, but 11 minutes, that means we're gonna turn up right on time. Right guys, we're here, we are at the unit of Revolution Rides Sheffield. There's a few cars here. I'll park next to another Red FM, which I obviously should never have done because my paint is absolutely horrific, and this is beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous example compared to, oh my god, what are you doing? Yeah, and the headlights are like so nice and clean, and mine are so cloudy because they need restoring properly again. And, oh well, we're here for a good time, that's the main thing. There's some other cars, there's a few other Hondas here. Paul's here with his black FF, he's here as well. Mark's here. We've got loads of people here who we recognise cars around. They've also got an inside section. There's a nice Corvette in there, so we'll go and have a look at that, go and grab a coffee, and have a look around. Plus we'll go just Sylvia. Like, oh my word. So 5 tickets, 5 pulls.
Yeah, 5 tickets. If it ends in a 0.
See what you can get, Paul. I'm rooting for you.
Awesome, mate.
5. Hey, you've won something straight away.
And 75.
That gold one.
Gold one.
What have you got, Paul?
Awesome.
Off at bat, first one.
First one, I told you. Because it's on camera.
I know, yeah.
That's a look, isn't it?
Go on, what have we got?
Oh!
After 8.
Do you want a lid for your coffee or are you alright?
I'm like that, thank you.
You're winning at life now, Paul.
Most important.
Revolution Rides. Look at that. You should be a sales rep. I'll just have, I'm going to go with a brownie. Thank you very much.
Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby. Hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, put you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I want reckless. I wanna get reckless. Couldn't keep your poker face. But boy, you kept me waiting when I wanted to race.
Right, so we're inside Revolution Rides now. I just want to show you the setup that's been done in here. It's just, the reason why I love this so much is because it's so clinically clean. It's brilliant. I love all this like soft lighting with like the LEDs as well. We've got 2 gorgeous cars in here. We've got a massive like VW van that's just like on his arse, and then we've got a nice Stingray over there, which we'll go and have a look at that as well. In fact, I'll do a little montage for you for both these cars a bit more up close. But like I was saying, I just wanted to show you the setup in here as well. You've also got, if you look up here, all these here, those are they release mist. So if you're working on the car and say you're doing some kind of like paint protection or something like that, usually when you're moving things like that around on a painted surface, you need lubrication. That's like a fine layer so you can move it around easily on the paintwork. It's brilliant. It's just, this is like a dream unit. Even like what the cars are sat on. You can't see it on this side. I'll show you the other side. Come with me. Come here, have a look. There's ramps ready to lift the car straight up if you want to look underneath on the detail underneath, work on them underneath. This is such a, this is like motivation, this place.
Woke up, told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's realize in these real times to be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
Right guys, back in the car now. Got to head home. We've pretty much had like every season in today. We've had hail, we've had sunshine, we've had a little bit of sleet, a little bit of rain, well a lot of rain actually. It seems like everybody else is like heading off now as well, so I'm going to end the video here. Thanks so much to Mark at Revolution Rides for hosting this morning. It's been brilliant. It's nice to come to a place like this and see such a nice setup run by a really like humble guy. So yeah, nice to meet you, Mark. Really appreciate it. I've learned a lot today. I've learned about like paint protection, like a vinyl, PP, oh, I've already forgotten the name of it, but just really cool stuff that these guys apply. And we've managed to raise money for a mental health charity. I've forgotten the name already, but I will link that in the description as well, if any of you guys need it. I'm sure I've shown pictures of it in the video as well, so that'll be okay. So yeah, I'm gonna head home now. It's been nice catching up with loads of other people that I ain't seen in a while in the car scene. Now, if you did enjoy this video and having a look around here, or if you enjoy any of my videos, please like and subscribe to the channel and click the little bell button so it reminds you when a fresh video does come on. And until next time guys, like I always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.